Need to replace the temperature sensor on your Traeger Ironwood 885? This is the thermocouple that reads the grill's own temperature, not the meat probe you put in your food. If your grill will not hold its heat or it keeps throwing a temp error, this is the part. About 30 minutes with a new sensor and a screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1, and it is the one that saves you buying the wrong part. This grill has two temperature parts. The meat probe plugs into the front and reads your food. The sensor we are replacing lives inside the barrel and reads the grill itself. A wandering grill temperature or a temp error on the screen is this one, the grill sensor, not the meat probe. Step 2. Switch the grill off at the back, pull the cord, and let it go completely cold. This sensor sits down inside the barrel where the heat is, so cold matters as much as the power being off. Step 3. The sensor is mounted low on the inside wall of the barrel, so you need to get in there. Lift out both cooking grates and the grease strip tray. That clears a straight line to it. Step 4. Find the sensor on the wall. It is a thin metal rod on a small bracket with a wire running from it out of the barrel. Look at how it sits before you touch it and take a picture of the wire's path while you are down there. Step 5. Back off the bracket screw and lift the sensor off the wall. Then follow its wire to the connector where it joins the grill's harness and unplug it there. Squeeze the latch and pull the plug, not the wire. Step 6. Route the new sensor's wire back the same way and plug its connector in until it clicks. Set the sensor on its bracket and snug the screw. Make sure the rod sits the way the old one did, out in the barrel, not buried against the wall. Step 7. Put the grease strip tray back, then both grates. Cord in, switch on, and if the screen still shows the old temp error, clear it. Menu, then Settings, then Clear Notifications. Until you clear it, the grill can stay in cool down. Now, let's make sure it's working. Start the grill and watch for 4 things. It reaches the temperature you set instead of drifting. It holds there through the cook without wild swings. The screen throws no temp error, and the reading looks sane against a second thermometer if you have one. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 quick things before you go. First, not every temperature swing is a dead sensor. Wind, a cold day, and a dirty grill all move the number, so rule those out before you condemn the part. And second, if you only see a problem with the meat readout, that is the meat probe at the front, a different part entirely. This sensor is the grill's own, inside the barrel. Before you go, 2 ways to keep your temperatures honest. First, keep the grill clean. The manual lists a dirty grill as a real cause of temperature swings, right alongside wind and weather. And second, when you clean, wipe the sensor's rod off gently so grease is not baked onto the one part whose whole job is reading heat. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.